What's up everybody, it's your boy John back again with another video, and today we're taking a look at the Sada's Aliexpress store. They also have an Amazon store, but the Sada's official store is having a great sale going on, so I just want to show you guys that. Now already the Sada's prices have always been really good, like $297, usually $531, $299, $507, you know, it go and etc etc. And their products have always been really solid. I noticed that they've been better than the rest. Now, no Android head unit is made equally. Different brands sometimes have different parts. And for the best sound quality, the Sada has been one of the best. They have the best noise issues, like any kind of interference or anything like that. They've been really good on top of that. So I definitely highly recommend these guys compared to other brands like Joing, Extron, etc. So check out the Sada. Now they have a lot of cool things like for BMWs and stuff like that, rear cameras, OBD2s, you know, TPMS sensors, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. They have it all. But today we want to really specifically look at things that they're gonna have on sale. Aliexpress has this really big sale called 11/11, so we're just gonna click on that tab, and oh, you can redeem $2. And right away you can tell there's a lot of things going on here. It's nice and pinkish red. Now if you have a Forester, you can get a head unit, bam, right there, $307. Pretty good price. And oh, look at this, you can get a $100 coupon if you sign in today. I don't know too much about that, but again, there's a lot of great deals going on. You want to pre-order it, and on 11/11, that's when things happen. Same with all these other things. They have the 7-inch double din, they have backup cameras, TPMS, internal, just a bunch of things. So all these specials, they really come in handy when it comes to harnesses, CAN bus, things for BMWs, and different things like that. Now specifically, we've always been looked at certain stuff like the Subarus specifically, because that's what we've been going for. Looks like they have a USB adapter right here, which is really nice. I believe these are for 2016, so if you have a 2016 WRX or something like that, or even BRZs, you can use this adapter and you should be able to retain your center console and armrest adapters. Now moving forward, I also have let's see what else they have. Let's look at some WRX stuff. Oh, they also have the double din that I did a while back. Now this has actually been one of my favorite units. So right now it's going for $320, but on the 11/11 you get those massive savings, so $296. It's a big difference. Honestly, I know some people didn't like the way it looked, but it's been one of my favorite head units. This has always been just an awesome experience. The way it was like a Tesla style, the way it was like just, it looked out of this world, and it did look very aftermarket, but I gotta say, it's something that I really miss. Again, they have here it is, they have the Android 8.0 WRX 2015, 16, 17, 18 for the US market. Now this unit right here, I did a video and it's been absolutely phenomenal. It's a great product. Just know that depending on your year, you might need to get the 2015 vents, but it's no biggie. It's actually worth it, and it looks so good. So just a little heads up, I really like the way they have it bezeled right here, and just the overall look of it has been outstanding. Now there's other products on their store too, and I just want to show you guys that real quick before I go. So on the 11/11 sale, you saw all those accessories. There's going to be a bunch of deals from OBD2 adapters to tire pressures, TV tuners. If you guys are big in TV tuners, I actually have a video of us doing the TV tuner. Don't forget that their store has speakers, I recently put speakers on the BRZ and it's been great. They have great products overall. So I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. You know, it's the holiday season. Maybe you want to get a gift for your friend, your family, or maybe just yourself. Don't sleep on this. Definitely something you should cop over the holiday season is one of these products, especially on the 11/11 sale. The SATA got it good. Now if you go to the Amazon page, it's going to be a little bit more expensive, so I'm just trying to find you guys the best deals. And when just seeing this 11/11, just gonna hook it up. So if you guys were looking for anything else, let me know. Comments below if you guys find any other good deals from AliExpress 11/11. But right now, it's killing it right now on the best products that I can recommend personally, because I've been trying it. It's been really good and it's been my favorite units. Check them out. Other than that, peace out guys. Let me know what's going on.